Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to teach you how to apply some final touches after your car wash. So 5 simple tips that will help increase the look and appearance of your vehicle after you've washed it. And if you're a professional detailer, well, those are 5 simple steps that are inexpensive and a nice way for you to over-deliver to your customers after you detail their car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. I hope you're having a good day. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 simple methods of applying some final touches after your car wash to increase the look and appearance of your vehicle. And also, as I said at the beginning, if you're a professional detailer, well, those are some tips and tricks so you can easily and very inexpensively over-deliver to your customers to make them smile when you detail their cars. So this is going to be part 1 of a series of episodes covering tips and tricks on how you can improve your detailing experience and how you can over-deliver to your customers. By the way, today's video is sponsored by TriNova. Now, TriNova is a company that makes premium car detailing products. If you guys remember, I did a review of the TriNova foam cannon. So this is an inexpensive yet super high quality foam cannon for the pre-wash stage on your cars. And today we're going to focus on 5 products that are going to cover the 5 tips I'm talking about. So we have the TriNova car shampoo and conditioner. There's the quick detailer, the tire shine spray, the new car smell air freshener, and the stain guard or fabric protectant. So I'm going to show you how to use all of these in the tips that I've been talking about, but I want to give a quick shout out to Steve over at TriNova. So thanks for making this video possible. And by the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway, so stay tuned for the details. But essentially, I'm giving away 3 of these kits to my viewers out there. So stay tuned till the end for the instructions on how you guys can participate. Okay, so if we start with tip number 1, when you're using a car shampoo, like the TriNova car shampoo and conditioner, well, these can often also be used as pre-wash soaps, so you can add them in a foam cannon to spray on the vehicle. And that's a cool tip because you're going to lubricate, so add extra lubricity when you're washing the vehicle in the pre-wash stage. This will allow you to encapsulate and lift any loose dirt and contaminants before you go ahead and wash the car. So this is an added step of security to prevent you from adding any swirls or scratches on the paint before you go ahead and do the contact wash with your microfiber wash mitt. So this is a nice touch. Okay, so we move on to step number 2. So once you're done washing the vehicle, when the car is still wet, you use something like a TriNova quick detailer. So this quick detailer acts as a drying aid. So not only is it going to help speed up the drying process with your microfiber drying towel, but it will also add a bit of shine and gloss to the vehicle. So it's a quick and simple way to add shine to the car after you're done washing it. And your customers will remember you for this because this is going to separate you from the rest of the pack. So step number 3 is the application of a tire shine spray. So one like the TriNova tire shine spray. This one here has UV protectants, so it's good to protect the rubber, and it's also going to give a nice deep glossy shine and restore the black look to the tires. So again, it's nice to wash the vehicle, but to go that extra mile, always make sure that you apply a tire dressing on the tires. It's going to make the wheels pop and make the vehicle look even cleaner. So tip number 4 is to spray an air freshener in the cabin, so on the floor mats or the carpets, or on the fabric seats if they have some. Smell is one of the most important senses for a human, and it acts on the long-term effect because you always remember how clean the car smelled when you were done detailing it. So you can apply something like the TriNova new car smell. So for those of you who like the new car smell, this one leaves a very nice fragrance in the vehicle. And as the name states, well, it makes it smell like new. So a nice way to add a nice fragrance in the vehicle and to remove any bad odors that might be lingering in the vehicle. So step number 5 is to apply a stain guard or a fabric guard either on cloth seats if they have some, on upholstery, or on carpets and mats. So something like the TriNova stain guard. So in this case, well, it helps to protect against any possible stains or spills, so it's going to make cleanup easier, and it's also going to extend the life of your fabric surfaces or your carpets. So this is a nice way to help protect the interior, and it's an inexpensive way to give some final touches to your detailing experience. So as you noticed, all 5 products are very easy to use. Most of them are simply spray on to use them, and that's it. They do their job. They're all inexpensive. By the way, guys, I'll make sure to include the links to all the products that I talked about today in the description down below for you guys to check them out. All right, so as a bonus tip, why not offer your customers a microfiber wash mitt like this premium TriNova chenille microfiber wash mitt. So this is nice and plush. So of course you've detailed their car, but maybe the customer is going to wash it on their own in their homes, and you want to make sure that they get the best possible experience by using the most gentle equipment to do the job. So a microfiber wash mitt is an inexpensive way, again, to give a little gift to your customer to show them that you care, and to also prevent them from installing some swirls or scratches when they're washing their cars. So an awesome little gift that you can offer your customers. All right, so now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the mega giveaway. So I teamed up with TriNova to help give away 3 kits of the 5 products that we talked about today. So the car shampoo, the quick detailer, the tire shine spray, the new car smell air freshener, and the stain guard fabric protectant. Okay, so the instructions to participate to this giveaway are super easy. So step number 1, you have to make sure that you're subscribed to the Pan the Organizer YouTube channel, as this giveaway is only open to my subscribers. Step number 2, you have to make sure that you live in the United States, as this giveaway is only open to people living in the USA. Step number 3, leave a comment in the comment section down below about a quick tip you would share with us of how you can increase your detailing experience. So a quick way to add a final detailing touch after you've cleaned your car. Or if you're a professional detailer, a way that you have to cheaply and effectively over-deliver when you're detailing a customer's car. Step number 4 is to make sure that you're following me on all my social media, so Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as I'll be announcing the winners on my social media accounts. So the links to my social media accounts are in the description down below. I'll be announcing the 3 winners on June 1st, so make sure you follow me on my social media accounts to find out if you guys won. By the way, guys, to make it simple for you, I included the links to all the products that I presented today in the description down below for you guys to check them out. Again, I want to give a big shout out to TriNova and Steve over at TriNova for sponsoring this video and making all of this happen. I hoped you enjoyed the video. If that's the case, smash the thumbs up button if you want to continue to see me to do some massive giveaways. Also, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching, just like every single week. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.